What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sherri. I hope everything is going well and I hope everything is wonderful in your world. I am officially on summer and I'm so happy. I can't even get over myself. I'm so happy. I just got through taking a shower, washing my hair. Do you guys see the gray business that is going on here? It's fitting to go. It is fitting to go. Anyway, not today. Today, I'm just getting ready to go to lunch with my parents. They're taking their dog, Gracie, to this little shop in town to get her groomed. So we're gonna go have some Mexican food, some fajitas, and hang out a little bit. And so I decided I was gonna get pretty and I was gonna let you watch. Aren't you lucky? Anyways, I am just gonna speed through this. I'm probably gonna do all my foundational stuff off camera, let you see my eye look and the finished product and all the jazz, and you're welcome. That sounded really conceited. But anyway, here we go.
Sometimes all I can do is cry. Close my eyes, raise my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one it belongs to. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind lately. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank you. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like they, yeah. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, yeah. Have faith like Abraham. Prophesy like Jeremiah. Pray just like Elijah. Mind over matter, it don't matter. So do you mind if I just give you all the praise I have inside? Never mind to the things going on right now. I just wanna say hallelujah, hallelujah. Praise the Lord, praise the Lord. Oh, 'cause what you doing, going through right now, I just praise the Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk with you. God, I wanna walk with you. I'm missing every piece of the puzzle, and I think that I don't need to speak to the only one who sees everything going on inside, everything that I'm trying to hide, everything I've been trying to fight, everything. So reposture my heart, reposture my mind. to know this connection is a blessing. This connection is divine. This connection is a blessing that you never press decline. Gotta hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk with you. God, I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. Hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk with you. God, I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. The prayers of the righteous availeth much. That's why I hit your line, I gotta keep in touch, yeah. Pick up the phone, I'm here alone, and I need the one that sits on the throne. You know just what I need before I say a thing. You know just what I need, but you still just wanna talk to me. Gotta hit you up in the morning, hit you up in the evening. God, you know that I know that. Yeah, you know that I need it. Yeah, I need to talk, 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 talk with you. God, I wanna walk, 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 walk with you. Never mind all the stuff that you've been worrying about. Never mind all the people tryna bring you down. Or never mind all the things that's been going on. I just wanna never mind. Right now it's time to thank Him. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you loving me. Thank you, Lord, for how you care for me. You always there for me. You said you never leave. I just wanna never mind all the things going on in my mind. Never mind. Right now, just wanna thank Him. What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? What do you do? What do you do when you're going through? I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. I'm gonna dance like David, have faith like Abraham, prophesy like Jeremiah, pray just like Elijah. You're so good to me, and I can't even speak. Sometimes all I can do is cry. Close my eyes, raise my hands, do a dance for you. Praise you, it's true to the one it belongs to. Thank you, Lord, for all you do for me, for all you've done for me, for how you love me.